No sports commentary this evening. Instead, the Maverick is going to discuss the by-election in East Portland. Will it be Action Ann or will it be Damien, the Rasta man? On Fool's Day! As we say, congratulations to Kingston College and Edwin Allen High School, the respective boys and girls champion teams for 2019. And looking beyond the surface of this Kingston College victory, information coming directly out of the KC camp is that the difference this year, outside of the mattress and the Calabar physics teacher, the difference in approach by the KC coaching and management staff was the deliberate and strategic decision not to overwork the KC athletes. The strategy was to keep the athletes fresh and rested. There was even an instance where one KC athlete who wanted to do multiple events and the coaching staff said, no, one event and give it your all. And the result, KC are champions by 80-odd points without even one major injury. Of course, KC had the depth and the numbers to apply that strategy. But the point is made. That strategy by Kingston College is revolutionary and will go a far way in saving future generations of Jamaica's young athletes. So big up KC and congrats again. May your success continue to reign. Yes, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it.